Greetings and welcome to this Cocoa construction update. I'm Jack Ferguson and I'll be your host. In this video we're going to visit a number of the construction sites that are active in Cocoa today. We'll be starting at the south end of Clear Lake Road where it meets Pluckybomb Road, then moving up to Highway 524, and then revisiting the Amazon facility on Grissom Road. The first site is actually in Rockledge on the south side of Pluckybomb Road at the end of Clear Lake Road. Some roads are in and others are laid out. This is a very large development, and I don't know its name. In the distance, we see the Cocoa Grand Apartments. And then the Lakeside Palms development. Here's a look up Clear Lake Road, all the way to Walmart. This is Lakeside Palms East, with about 100 newly constructed homes. Lakeside Palms West is just getting started. This should add another 100 homes. There was a nice park with a large lake at the end of Clear Lake Road. Probably some good fishing there. Now let's move over to Highway 520 where we find the Cocoa Grand Apartments just west of Space Coast Honda and set back off of the highway. On the right is the future clubhouse and pool. There are 11 buildings holding more than 300 apartments. The first apartments are scheduled to open in April, but it doesn't look like they'll be ready for that. A recent trip to Melbourne reminded me of how good we still have it in Cocoa. There is still lots of green space and the traffic is nothing compared to 192. Here is the old 524 Winn-Dixie, abandoned more than 15 years ago. The site will be home to the Cirrus Apartments. There'll be two 4-story buildings with about 250 units. Notice the buildings are being built in a U shape, with one opening to the north, the other to the south. A little further up 524 are the Integra Trails Apartments, where 5 four-story buildings will have another 250 units. Notice how the buildings hug the highway. This is due to the wetlands where the runoff from Cocoa North goes. There will be efficiencies, 1 bedrooms, 2 bedrooms, and possibly a 3-bedroom hidden in here somewhere, but they look small to me. Known as the Cocoa Conservation Area, it has thwarted many developers over the years. Looking west, the Walmart distribution facility can be seen. Just west of Integra is going to be a Dollar General. Why? Because you just can't have too many. Finally, let's revisit the huge Amazon distribution facility. Completed in December 2021, it still stands empty. I have heard numerous speculations why, but a persistent one is because of a gun range. SpaceX is visible at the top of the frame. Lo and behold, here comes Pint and Pistol, a gun range and eatery. I'm pretty sure they will do a good business. I'm also pretty sure Amazon will open whenever they are ready. So that's it for this Cocoa construction update. I hope you noticed all the green space we still have. Let's work together to preserve our little piece of heaven here. Thanks for watching.